world! Welcome to my channel! Anyway, today's video, today's video is how to get rid of the snowflakes, dandruff permanently in just in just twice no, this method I tried it for second time, so this is my third time, and it really works on my scalp. It's clean na. I don't have the itchy feeling. See, it's cleaned. And by the way, my face looks very glowing because of my oil cleansing method. So guys, if you didn't if you haven't watched that yet, so please watch it, okay? I'll just link the link. I just linked the link. I just put the link in the description down below, okay? So yeah, this method is by far the best method for me because I tried a lot, but then yeah, I still have it, you know. But this one is like, oh my god, on the first try, you know, the next day I really did feel itchy on my head, and the next try, the second try, oh my god, it works wonder. So I want to share it with you guys because it's normal to have dandruff. Like 50% of the population have dandruff, so don't be shy, okay? Now let's start with the procedure. So for this method, what you need is a clean container and of course clean hands and a yogurt, any yogurt, but this is Greek yogurt. This is for our smoothies. But yeah, I'm gonna use this because this is the only yogurt that we have at home. Any yogurt, you can use any yogurt, but please don't use those fruity yogurt, okay? And the next is honey. It's honey. Look, I'm using too much honey, that's why. And lemon. So just 3 ingredients, just these 3 ingredients. And yes, you can remove your dandruff permanently. Now let's start. Okay. So this is my lemon, and please remove the seeds, okay? Remove the seeds. Okay, so yeah. And I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. So 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of honey as well. Okay. So 1, 2, and that's it. Just mix them thoroughly so you will get a desired base. You know what, the honey and the yogurt is good for your skin also. You can use this as a face mask. No, face mask. Face mask ba tawag dun? Ano ba tawag na dun? Yung... basta. Pwede mong ilagay sa face mo din to. It lighten up your skin tone. And... yeah. Yeah. Now we are ready to apply it on our scalp, directly on our scalp, okay? So I just want to read you the benefits of lemon and honey and yogurt to your skin, to our skin and our hair. So for lemon, it treats dandruff because it eliminates excess oil in the scalp that leads to build up and scalp flakes. Yun, yung mga snowflakes natin. It's balance the pH of the scalp to keep the dandruff at bay. So sabi, dyan lang kayo. Charot. Strengthen hair follicles. Anong follicles? Bahala ano yun. It provides vitamin C, citric acid, flavonoid, and iron. All nutrients essential to hair and skin health. So, yon, ganon. Tapos, ang tawag niyan, ang lemon pa for skin is, it is antioxidant. Diba? Alam na natin yan. Lemon juice naturally contains vitamin C and an antioxidant that may help reduce skin damage and premature aging. So, it is antifungal and skin lightening. So, due to its pH levels, lemon can decrease oil in the skin that reduce inflammation. Ganun. So, ang honey naman, it's great hair moisturizer. It's emollient, smooth the hair follicles, adding shine to dull hair. Tama nga naman. Kasi, ang tawag dito, nag-shine yung hair ko, nag-bounce. Tsaka, basta maganda siya talaga, promise. By moisturizing and locking in shine, honey can help restore the natural luster of your hair. Ganun. So for skin naman, honey helps your body's healing process, which may help fade acne scars, diba? So you can use for hair and for your skin, for your face mask. I'm gonna do also for my face later. And you can use honey as a spot treatment on scars. Dami kong scars. Ayan, nung bata ako, dami kong scars. And apply gently every day or every other day as a paste on the site of your scarring. So, I'm gonna do it today. Ganun. So, maganda siya. Ang tawag nito, ang honey and lemon together. So, the benefits of yogurt naman to your skin. It moisturizes skin and boosts moisture. You can try using yogurt face mask. Yun ang sinasabi ko. So, I'm gonna do this face mask as a face mask and also hair mask. It fights acne, reduces wrinkles and fine lines. Oh my God! Ito yung gusto ko rin. Reduces wrinkles and fine lines. Reduces dark circles. Treats skin infections. Yeah, from the acne and soothes sunburns. Yeah, sunburns, alam mo na. Kasi dito ako laging nag-beach. But I'm not a bitch. Kaya I need that, okay? So for, sabi, is yogurt good for hair dandruff? Sabi, or a hair fall, sabi, yogurt contains probiotic bacteria that promote hair density. Google please. Hair density, yung bigat ba? It increases the anagen phase of hair follicles. I'm sorry, I don't know this. This also helps boost hair growth. It improves scalp health and reduces the clogging of follicles. Yun na nga, yung sa the follicles that leads to the hair fall, hair damage, and snowflakes. So, that's it. I don't know. I have to Google it. Google. Anyway, let's start doing it. So, yeah, just do it like that. Just apply direct on your on your scalp. Ayan, it's messy. Okay. nalagyan ko na lahat. And then, I'm going to massage it on my scalp. If you want to put more, you can put more. Massage it on your scalp para mas lalong effective siya. And after that, I'm gonna cover it with if you have what's that, hair, what you call, ano ba yun, yung pantakip sa hair ba? If you have that, you can, yeah, you can use it, but because I don't have it, I'm gonna use plastic. And so that's it. Diskarteng Pinay. Wala tayong hair ganyan. So gamit tayo ng plastic. Anyway, that's it. And you can leave it on your hair for 30 minutes. But for me, I'm gonna do it for 1 hour. And then you can take a bath. You can use your regular shampoo or regular conditioner. Kung ano yung conditioner na ginagamit mo, you can use it. Diba? And after that, the volume, it's really good. Yeah. So I'm gonna update you after I take a bath. Diba? Para lahat kompleto, Ricardo. And that's it. I took a shower, obviously. And it smells so good because of the yogurt and the honey. And it feels so clean on my scalp. Look how clean it is. Bye bye snowflakes. Anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone. Bye.